All right, ladies and gentlemen, gonna do a video on how to reset this change engine oil light. And I think I remember how to do it, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and spread some knowledge, because yeah, I remember in the past not knowing how to do it because it's kind of old school on these older trucks. But all right, so what it should be, I think I can do it right now. Press the gas pedal 3 times, shows the red battery, and then it'll flash change engine oil. All right, perfect, we got it. And this is all with your key in the on position, so not in the running position, I mean not in the actual run position, but just you just turn it over right here. Your change engine oil light will come on like before. Now it's not. We just got there, it's blinking because it's showing me it reset. So when I go ahead and start it, and it's gone. We're good to go. All right, we go.